day here, the 1st day of October, 2023. It's a beautiful day here too. And I'm going to be cooking up a Filipino adobo today. I'm going to show some of the ingredients I'm going to be using today. This is just some of it. Of course, I'm going to be using onion and garlic, fresh garlic here. I like a lot of garlic. I won't use all this ginger root, about half of this piece here. Of course, I'm going to put about some Thai chilies in it. And some bay leaves here. Probably about 3 bay leaves, 4 bay leaves in it. So I went to the Asian store yesterday, to the Pine Family Grocery here on Brown Street. So I'm going to be... And here's some of the ingredients I'm going to be using. Of course, I'm going to be using this Japanese soy sauce here. Yamasa brand here. Product of Japan here. So I'm going to use this, I think. Here's the ingredients here. We got water in there and soybeans, wheat, salt, alcohol to preserve freshness. So this is a Japanese brand soy sauce here. It's supposed to be really good here. The soy sauce with balanced, hearty aroma, savory flavor, and brilliant tone of color. Gently brewed with extended aging process. A wonderful creation by Yamasa. So this is product of Japan here. So I'm going to be using that. I'm going to put a little fish sauce in it too. Of course, some fish sauce here, some Thai fish sauce here. Patis, also known as. So some golden boy here. And of course, I'm cooking with good old, I got more sunflower seed oil. Here we go. That's what I'm using here, sunflower seed oil. That would be my oil of choice here. And some coconut milk I'm going to be putting into my adobo here, so I could eliminate the using vinegar, because the vinegar will make the coconut milk kind of sour if I use that here. I'll be using this coconut milk I get at the Sahai Chan Asian store here. So it's from Thailand here. So product of Thailand here. So, and the meat of choice I'm going to be featuring in today's dish. I'll be using good old chicken livers here. So, 1.25 pounds here, 20-ounce container of chicken livers here. And last but not least will be something Josh Tanner, my friend Josh Tanner. Some beautiful kale greens I got here. So, see how healthy that is? High in fiber here, very high in fiber here. I got this at Mark's. So it's in the cabbage family. It's very delicious, actually. It's a very delicious greens here. So we're going to be using that also. And see the finished product. Right there, viewers. So here we are, frying up the adobo here. Chicken liver adobo. Kale leaves. Josh Tanner's favorites of all vegetables, kale. So here we are, dear viewers. So we're gonna keep going here. We're gonna get in. Yep. So I got everything in there: the bay leaf, the black pepper, the soy sauce, a little bit of fish sauce. Coconut milk. If I was making a plain adobo, without the coconut milk, then I would have the vinegar. But I'm going to add a little water to this. A little bit of water, a little bit of water, a little bit of water. Yeah. up to temperature here. So, yeah, it looks like it's coming pretty good though. Just mix this all together. Yeah, it's gonna be good. Something different, you know, than the same old, y'all. I like to try new food, yeah, new recipes. So this is a Filipino dish here. Just get this up to temperature. I'm a big kale fan though. Heat up a little bit. Lid on there. So this should be pretty good. So here's Camp Gospel here, just beautiful Sunday here. Look at this beautiful day we got here. October 1st here, it's absolutely gorgeous. I wonder how this month is going to end. You see how the beginning of October is, but it's going to be interesting how the month ends. Is it going to be nice or is it going to get cold and wet? Okay, so we're going to bring this up to temperature. Add the water, the remaining water to it. So you can see it here. Yeah, I think we're going to have a nice meal today, dear viewers. Yes. Beautiful meal today. That's my favorite is kale. One of my favorite green vegetables is kale. It's in the cabbage family. It's very high in fiber, very high in vitamins A and B, and very high in fiber content. So if you're irregular, eat kale is what I recommend. So let's check this out now, viewers. Alright, let's see. It's starting to come up to temperature. So we're going to add the remaining water there. So let's see what we get to here. Move this chair back. Now I'm going to add the rest of the water here. After. I'm sorry about that. Okay, that's about it for now, dear viewers. Here we are. It's about done here. My meal here, my adobo. Kind of green looking because of the kale. I put fresh kale in there, so we'll give it one final toss here, and then that's it. It's time to get ready to sup here. Yeah, it's ready. Okay, so get everything ready here. Wait, ready to eat. Yep. Yeah, I figured something a little different than curry all the time. As much as I like curry, but good to have something different. Bit different. Okay. Adobo. Left my rice cooker up at brother's house, I think. So I'm sorry about that, viewers. Alright, we got some beautiful green adobo here. Oh my. Kale. That's my oolong here. Oolong. So, not too bad looking, huh? Here's the adobo here, dear viewers. So hopefully it looks delicious to you. I trust it will be perfect. And that's it. So God bless, and I see you in the next video clip, dear viewers.